Hey there, welcome to Money Smart with Frank. Today, we'll be diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to earn money online. The top 3 side gigs for financial success. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never get to miss out on my latest tips and tricks for financial success. Now picture this. It's a warm sunny evening. You know you're about to embark on a journey. A journey to financial freedom. A journey to unlock the potential within you, and a journey to discover the top 3 side gigs that can change your life. As we delve into this topic, keep that serene scene in your mind. Now, imagine turning your spare time into extra income, all from the comfort of your home. But first, let's set the stage. You might be wondering, why is it crucial to explore the world of earning money online? In today's fast-paced world, having multiple streams of income is not just a luxury, it's really a necessity. It's about building financial resilience and ensuring a secure future for yourself and loved ones. Psychological research has shown that the idea of earning money online can trigger skepticism and doubt in many minds. People often think it's too good to be true, or that there must be some hidden catch to it. But here's the deal. Online income is not a myth. It's a reality for countless individuals who've cracked the code. Now, let's address the common financial mistakes that often stand in our way when it comes to earning money online. One of the significant challenges is the fear of the unknown. Venturing into the digital landscape can be intimidating, especially if you're not a tech-savvy kind. So, with the stage set and the hurdles acknowledged, let's dive into the heart of our journey, which is the top 3 side gigs that can set you on the path of financial success. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's dive deeper into the captivating world of freelancing. It's a realm where your skills can shine and your bank account can flourish, all while you dictate your own work environment. Just picture this. It's a fresh Monday morning, and instead of the blaring alarm clock, you wake up to the soothing hum of your laptop. Your office for the day could be at a coffee shop, a sunlit balcony, or even a dream vacation spot. The choice is yours. Freelancing opens doors for you to harness your expertise and offer you services to a global clientele. A web whiz or a social media sage, there's a demand for your skills in the vast digital market space. Well guys, here's the golden rule. It's not just about having the skills, it's really about how you present them to the world. Let me clarify. Being a remarkable writer, designer, developer, or a marketer is essential, but showcasing your abilities and constructing a robust online presence is equally vital. Let's back this up with a financial example. Supposing you possess the skills to create stunning websites, these skills could remain untapped unless you actively market them. Remember, the internet is a vast place, and standing out requires more than just having a talent. It's about applying strategic promotion. Consider a talent web developer who decided to take the plunge into freelancing. You see, instead of waiting for clients to magically find them, they created a professional website showcasing their previous projects. They also optimized their LinkedIn profile to highlight their skills and connect with potential clients. The result? Well, a flourishing freelance career that transformed their income. Now it's your turn. Have you ever considered freelancing or start your own freelance journey? Share your thoughts, experiences, or aspirations in the comments below. Your story can be the spark that ignites someone else's freelance journey. Now, let's move on to our second gig, one that's been sweeping the digital landscape by storm: the e-commerce euphoria. Gig number 1, the Freelance Revolution. Let's embark on the enchanting journey of e-commerce. Ever fantasized about running your own online store? Just imagine, you handcraft a collection of unique items, let's say like this world map globe, which has been handcrafted, and each of this world map globe has been chosen to resonate with your audience. You see, your store isn't merely about transactions, it's a platform for storytelling, sharing your passions, and fostering a vibrant community. E-commerce has shattered the boundaries of traditional commerce. It's no longer the exclusive domain of big corporations. It's accessible to anyone with a dream. Let's take Jane for instance, a dedicated ceramic artist. She launched her e-commerce venture by selling her unique pottery on a modest website she created herself. With unwavering dedication and creative flair, she transformed her online store into a thriving business reaching customers worldwide. But here's where it gets fascinating. E-commerce isn't restricted to physical products alone. It's a realm that extends into the digital sphere. Imagine crafting digital products such as ebooks, templates, or even online courses. Your expertise holds immense value, and people are eager to invest in them. Consider this. Decide to expand beyond your traditional client work. They created a series of downloadable design templates and marketed them through their own e-commerce site. The result? A passive income stream that not only increased their earnings, but gave them the freedom to pursue other creative projects. Now it's your turn to share. Have you explored e-commerce? I'd love to hear your e-commerce stories, insights, and dreams, or dreams in the comment section below. Your experiences can be the guiding light for others on this e-commerce journey. Now, let's venture into the third and final side gig, one that holds the promise of passive income and financial success. Gig number 3, the affiliate adventure. Let's venture into the realm of affiliate marketing. Picture this. You're enthusiastically sharing your favorite products or services with your audience, and with every sale that occurs, thanks to your recommendation, you earn a commission. That's the magic of affiliate marketing, a dynamic side gig that can create streams of passive income for you. Affiliate marketing thrives on trust and authenticity. You see, your audience looks to you for guidance, and by endorsing products or services that you genuinely believe in, you're not only adding value, but you're also reaping rewards. Let's consider Mark, a tech enthusiast who kickstarted his journey with a YouTube channel dedicated to reviewing gadgets, various tech companies. Through affiliate programs, he was able to share candid, unbiased opinions about each and every one of those products. As his channel gained momentum, so did his affiliate earnings, effectively transforming his passion into a profitable endeavor. However, there's a twist to the tale. You see, achieving success in affiliate marketing requires more than just a stroke of luck. It necessitates strategic planning, consistent content creation, and a deep understanding of your audience's needs. Imagine this scenario. An avid book lover started a blog discussing their literary adventures. Through carefully crafted affiliate partnerships with bookstores and literary subscription services, they seamlessly integrated affiliate links into their content, and the result? A growing income source that allowed them to explore even more books and share their passion with a broader audience. Now it's your turn to weigh in. Have you dabbled in affiliate marketing, either as a consumer or a marketer? Share your experiences in the comments below. You see, your insights could serve as a compass for others embarking on their affiliate adventure. Alright my friends, as we wrap up our journey through these 3 side gigs for financial success, remember that each gig has its unique challenges and opportunities as well. To find the one that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals. And on a final note, it's a plan to know that the path to financial success lies before you, illuminated by the possibilities of freelancing, the thrill of e-commerce, and the promise of affiliate marketing. But here's the truth. Success in the digital world is not about overnight riches. It's more about persistency, dedication, and the willingness to continuously learn. It's also about turning your spare time into a side gig that can change your financial future. But before we part ways, don't forget to hit the like button if you found this journey inspiring, and of course, subscribe to Money Smart with Frank for more in-depth insights into financial success. Your support to provide financial education videos for you guys. And remember, the power to transform your financial future lies in your hands. Even though the road ahead may be winding, but with perseverance, creativity, and the knowledge you've gained today, you are well on your way to financial success. Oh, before we go, make sure to check my next video on the 6 proven strategies to master the art of brand new subscription boxes. I tell you, you won't want to miss it. And as always, keep learning, keep creating, and most importantly, keep earning. Until next time, take care.